Hi guys! So we're back with another twin talk for you guys. We actually don't know the exact title of this video yet, but we'll know by the time it goes up, so because y'all will see it in the title, of course.
Yeah.
But we thought that this would be the perfect video to start off the year here on the vlog channel for you guys, just so you know that we can start on the right foot, start with some order, start with, you know, not necessarily goals in mind, but you know, just to go into the year with a lot of positivity and intention.
And we're going to be sharing with you guys 5 tips on how to have the best year, and especially if you haven't stuck to any of these things. So consistency is key for all 5 of these tips. So the first one is finances. Very important. So if you have not started a nice savings account, you should have something in the savings. Even if you put like $10 in there, $50, $100, whatever is realistic for you, please start putting something in your savings account. It's very important to have something for a rainy day.
Yes.
And it's just important to have that. So that's like a good start to the new year, making sure your finances are in order. You know, make sure you budget out your money wisely. Make sure you don't spend, you know, irresponsibly, because that's very important.
Yes.
And yeah, finances are super important. So make sure you get that in order. Have a savings account. Also make a budget that is realistic for you.
Yes, definitely. And I like the saying that if you can't buy it twice, then you can't afford it. So speaking of finances, Kendra actually put me onto this book. She's already read it, and I'm about to start reading it.
Almost every page is highlighted.
I was gonna say I've already gone through everything that you've highlighted, and I was like, I see why she highlighted this. So this book is called Nice Girls Don't Get Rich: 75 Avoidable Mistakes Women Make with Money. So this book is very, very important, because I feel like
everything for me.
I feel like, I'm glad that it says nice girls don't get rich, because I feel like men are more so taught about finances at a young early age and women are not.
Yeah.
And I think that's very important, especially now because there's so many independent women out there,
it's
and
so
you
important.
need to know how to manage your money.
Yes.
So it's great to be making all this money, but it doesn't matter if you don't know how to manage it.
Yeah, and if you don't know what to do with it when you start making it.
Exactly.
Because when you start making your money and you're not spending it wisely or investing it wisely, which is very big in this book, and it changed so much for me, and it put a lot of things into perspective for me. So I really hope you guys get this book. It's called Nice Girls Don't Get Rich. I'm obsessed. I would read it again, and it's just so many things that stuck with me for life. So these are things that I'm going to apply just for the rest of my life, and I just think it's super helpful.
Yeah. Okay, so the second one is find a workout that you enjoy. It could be anything, because enjoy and workout, to me, in my mind, don't go in the same sentence. I hate working out, so if I can stick to something, then you guys can. I promise you, I cannot stand working out.
Yeah, we're not gym people. No. I hated going to the gym. We canceled our gym membership last year.
Yes.
Because we weren't going, and it was a waste of money. So find something that you actually enjoy, because that's the only way you're going to stick to it.
Exactly.
And what's the point of working out
if you're not going to stick to it?
Consistent.
Yeah, you're not going to see any results. You're not going to actually feel better about what you're doing. And as far as working out, I would say, like, don't set unrealistic goals. Just stick with realistic goals and, like, make healthy habits.
Yes, it's not really about a goal or resolution. I actually hate New Year's resolutions. I think they're, I don't want to say stupid, but I think they're unrealistic, and
most of the time. That's because people don't know how to set realistic ones.
They set you up for failure. Which is why Kelsey said healthy habits.
Healthy habits.
Create good habits.
Yeah. Healthy habits are easier to incorporate into an everyday routine or a weekly routine, 3 times a week routine. Like, it doesn't have to be every single day. Everybody's different. Everybody's schedule's different. So do what you can that works for you. Start small, and then you can extend whatever you're doing. Exactly. So if you like fresh air, if you like going for a walk, like if you take your dog for a walk, for instance, that can be exercise. Like, walking is really good exercise.
Yes.
Whatever you can do to get the blood flowing. Like, if you like to stretch, like, I love stretching. I've been obsessed with stretching over the past year, and I got into stretching when I started doing yoga, and I realized, like, some of the yoga videos that I was watching, they had a lot of stretching tutorials as well. And stretching just, like, gives you a better quality of life, because
you feel so much better.
It helps with the blood flow, and I noticed that I sleep way better when I stretch, and when I forget to stretch, the quality of sleep is not the same for me personally. So I have to stretch. So also, that can be something that you can incorporate if you're not an exercise person. You can actually stretch, like, every day, every other day. Just get you a mat, stretch before bed or when you get up in the morning. I'm telling y'all, it makes the biggest difference. Like, your hips, your back, like if you have a lot of back problems, stretching is excellent for that as well.
But as far as working out, our main source of working out is Pilates.
Yes, we've been loving Pilates.
So Pilates is our form of, you know, working out that we have been sticking to.
How long now,
We've been doing Pilates, I would say, since September of last year.
Oh yeah, we have.
Yes. Since September of last year. This is the longest workout we've stuck to, which means it's working.
Yes.
Because we actually enjoyed it. We like all of our instructors. It's just like a really good workout. You get a full body workout.
Yeah, I actually like the reformer. At first I was kind of intimidated by it.
Yeah, because there's so many different parts.
I was like,
this contraption
thing?
Yeah, I don't know what all
legs
this is
gotta go in
for.
Arms, it's a lot.
Yeah.
But I like it. So we go to a place called Club Pilates. There are different ones around Georgia. I'm sure they have them in your city. So like check them out if you can. Find somewhere that does Pilates. Some people do like personalized Pilates. You can do like one-on-one classes. So it all depends on what you're comfortable with doing.
Yeah.
So if you can't afford it, then I highly recommend trying Pilates. If you try so many different workouts and you don't like them, just give Pilates a try because we've been liking it.
And we only do it about 2 to 3 times a week.
Yeah.
And that's good enough for us. In the days we don't do Pilates, we'll do yoga. So whatever works for you, incorporate some kind of like workout routine that you enjoy that doesn't really feel like a hassle.
Yes.
Because like I actually enjoy Pilates once I'm there. Not gonna lie, right before driving there, I'm like, I don't feel like going. But once I'm there, I'm in it.
You good.
I'm
good when I'm there.
So find a workout that's enjoyable because that's the only way you're gonna stick with it. Number 3, you would think it goes without saying, but not everyone, you know, makes this a priority. And number 3 is to get a good and effective skincare and hair care routine. So skincare and hair care are very essential just to self-care. It's not even about aesthetics and being girly. It's just about maintenance and self-care.
And honestly, if you like how you look, you feel better about yourself.
And it's just about health too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but still, like you said, it's not about aesthetic, but I still feel like when you like what you see and you look in the mirror, you feel better on the inside too.
Very true.
So you have to make the effort. You know what I mean?
Right.
You have to make the effort to actually look and feel better about yourself from inside to out. So I feel like it's all one thing. I feel like they go hand in hand. So that's why I feel like this one is super important too. Because like it's certain like small things like sticking with the routine that can like, you know, make the biggest difference in 6 months. And you look in the mirror, you're like, oh my gosh, my skin is so much clearer.
Yeah.
I feel better about myself.
So like hair, make sure you just get like a good shampoo and conditioner, a good deep conditioner.
And stick with that.
Stick with that.
See how your hair reacts to it.
Yes.
Because like also like with changing your products out too much,
you can't really see if it's actually
not going to help you. Yeah, you're not going to see if it's working. That's not going to help you. So like find something that you think will work for your hair type and your skin type and stick with that at least for 6 months this year and see how it works for you.
Yes.
I'm telling y'all, it'll make the biggest difference. Just stick with it though. I feel like that's the biggest thing.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, number 4 is do something fun at least once or twice a month. Creating balance in your life is very important, so don't overwork yourself. You want to create some balance. Because I'm not gonna lie, people who just work are very mean and bitter, angry people. And you don't want to be one of those people. You want to enjoy your life because life is short and you want to create a full life. So a life of balance to me is creating a full life. You want to enjoy life. So whatever that is to you, going to the movies, going out with your friends, getting drinks, sitting on the couch watching your favorite show, whatever is fun to you, make time to do that because it's going to create a way better quality of life. Like I was talking about earlier with the stretching, this is just a different way of doing that as far as like your mental health.
Yes.
So I feel like this goes hand in hand with that, like doing something fun.
Balance is very essential.
Absolutely.
Yes. And I feel like you're going to appreciate everything else in your life better too when you incorporate whatever this fun activity is for you.
Yeah.
Or it could be something that's like an actual activity. Like it could be like a hobby. It could be like you doing a puzzle.
I've been
It could be, Kelsey's a puzzle person, not me. I'm more of a book girl. Give me a good book and I'm A-okay. So whatever it is that you enjoy, incorporate that a lot. We love going to the movies. That's one of our favorite things to do.
Yeah, I just like escaping in a movie.
Yeah, I love
we're big
escape.
movie people.
Love movies. So the very last one is extremely essential. That is creating daily spiritual habits. So whether that's prayer, reading, meditation, please have some kind of spiritual routine because it's going to help your mental health in so many ways. I'm telling y'all, I won't be nowhere without God. Our spiritual health is like
the foundation.
It's the foundation to everything else. So this is literally at the center of everything else. So I pray every day. I try to read my Bible. I used to be every day, but now I'm more of an every other day kind of person. I also love just reading in general. Y'all know I love to read. So I'm a self-help and a novel girl. Right now I'm reading a self-help book, and then I'll alternate to a novel. So I'll go back and forth with my reading list. And also meditation is something that I really want to get into. I don't last as long as I would like. Kelsey likes meditating.
I can meditate for a good 30-40 minutes.
I last about 3 minutes. I'm getting there.
I'm so proud of myself. It takes time. I'm not gonna lie, it didn't happen overnight. I didn't get there. It took me like a year to meditate that long.
For real?
Yes. So it takes time. It's just about, like, for me personally, it's just about a clear headspace. So that's how I am with meditating.
Okay.
Yeah.
So spiritual health is extremely important. So if you guys don't have some kind of spiritual routine, it's gonna help you tremendously. I'm telling you, like, you won't regret it.
And with energy as well.
Yes, like, you'll start to feel more confident within yourself when you feel like good spiritually within yourself. You won't have any old kind of people around you.
You attract better.
Yeah, you attract more centered, balanced people as well. More people with good energy rather than bad energy. Yeah. And you can sense bad energy wherever you go to. The more time you spend spiritually with yourself.
Yeah, when you're more in touch with your own emotions and thoughts and feelings.
If anything, I feel like mine is like extra sensitive. I don't know, because I'm just intuitive.
Yeah, I was gonna say yours is heightened a little bit now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is too.
So, try one of those spiritual habits. I think you guys will really love it.
I think so too.
Okay, so that wraps up this video. We didn't want to overwhelm you guys with too many things. That's why we wanted to keep it short and sweet. Please apply at least one thing that we said today, and I think it will make a huge difference for you guys. And even better, if you do all 5 of them, I promise you're going to see and feel a huge difference this year. Yes. And we're also going to be doing these things or continuing these things, which is why this is how we created these 5 tips, because we've done these things.
Yeah, we wanted to give you guys realistic tips.
Yes.
That you can stick with, that make big differences. Because like I said, little things create like big changes. Like it's about the little things that you change that can create like big results. Yes. You know,
so small habits are very key. Yeah. Staying consistent with these small habits. Also, they make you more confident, because I feel like confidence is in alignment with trusting yourself. You can't really be confident unless you trust yourself. So when you don't stick to something, you start to lose the trust and the confidence in yourself.
That's so true.
So when you start sticking to these things, you become more confident and sure of yourself.
And it's about making yourself proud too.
Yeah, that's the confidence part.
Yeah, I feel like if you're pleasing yourself and God, that's all that really matters. You know what I mean? So just, you know, keep you first. You know, don't neglect you at the end of the day. Yes. Any part of you, inside or out. So yeah, we're going to be doing a lot more twin talks this year, hopefully. Let us know if you guys have any topic ideas you want us to talk about this year. We still are going to be asking questions on like my Insta story, because we know like everybody needs different kinds of advice throughout the year. So we'll be here for that. We got y'all. Because we love twin talks. Y'all know we can talk all day. We love a good girls' night in.
Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you guys so much for watching.